Hi everyone, welcome to TYG Trading. Disclaimer, this is not advice neither invitation to make an investment. Everything is done here for the purpose of education only. Trading is an activity that involves with risk of losing funds in your trading account, fully or partially. Always do your own research before making any financial decision. Welcome back to my channel. Now, I will do analysis for USD Canadian. From the chart, we can see USDCAD is having bearish pattern by having a lower low and lower high. Focus on the latest movement, we have a correction here. The latest lower low and lower high will be our support and resistance. By knowing this part, when we have a fundamental skill, it will be very helpful to develop a better trading plan. But for those who are not familiar with fundamental, technical analysis have told you what to do. Next, we move to 4-hour chart for more details. From 4-hour chart, we have support and resistance here. In between them, we can see there were two price levels that have significant battles. As seen in the blue chart, this will be the area to find a setup. Market can move in this way or this way. Remember, this scenario is a probability. The next rule is to find a setup by using confirmation. For this purpose, we need to use the 1-hour chart. Since we have a bearish pattern on the daily chart, it is better to look for a short position. Based on the liquidity zone, the best entry will be around these areas. The setup will be this way. Alright, that's all for USDCAD. And now we move to dollar yen. I always avoid giving comments about politics and policy because first, I'm not an expert in those fields and everything will be debatable and full of perspective based on the angle of our view. So, my focus is on what I can do to anticipate them. Something interesting is most fundamentals will be reflected prior to technical market movement. So, having a good technical analysis, we can anticipate the market. After the fall 2 weeks ago, the market told us the bull market is coming to an end. But we have to remember the bigger picture in dollar yen when we zoom out the chart. We can see clearly dollar yen is in a big consolidation period. Okay, let's back to the latest market situation. From the drop, we have a correction from last week. These two arrows are our support and resistance. We treat them as boundaries for our trading plan. As for price action, we see there is a bearish engulfing candle here. It is a significant signal for most price action traders. Okay, next we move to 4-hour chart for more details. When we look into 4-hour chart, we can see the detail about how the market moved in a range before a rejection happened. Based on the time, we can actually see it happen during the opening of the Tokyo market. Set aside the fundamentals first, let's see what we can do to arrange our plan. This area is our trading zone. We expect we have a position in this area since it is near the support since the drop 2 weeks ago. Since dollar yen usually has a big movement, it is good for a swing instruments. For doing swing, we can start by using forward chart. And the setup will be this way. That's all for today. Always remember, I'm not giving any trading signal here. All the information here is used for the purpose of education only. We need to have a proper way to understand the market before finally we can making our own decision to earn from the market. Okay, see you again in the next episode. If you enjoy my contents, feel free to subscribe and a like will be very much appreciated as well. You may also leave questions in the comment section. I will try my best to answer honestly.